Filling up timesheets is a breeze with EfficientTime. The timesheet is where you enter the number of hours you've worked for a certain time period. Your timesheets have to be approved by your manager so that they can be forwarded either to your HR department or to your customer for billing. This is usually done at the end of every month. To enter your timesheet, click on the Track Time icon in the home page. EfficientTime organizes timesheets as weekly timesheets for easier processing and navigation. The first step is to select the date range or week of the timesheet that you want to enter. Since EfficientTime processes timesheets sequentially forward, it is best to start at the earliest week for the month. Put a tick mark next to comments to show the notes or comments for each timesheet. Put one next to history to show the changes that you've done. Put a tick mark next to keep login to prevent your session from being timed out. Next, add tasks by clicking on the Add Working Hour button. You will choose your project and tasks from a list created earlier by your manager or administrator. In this example, the user is a software tester who works on bug testing from Mondays to Wednesdays, system testing on Thursdays, and documentation on Fridays. You can enter a specific subtask name under every task. This can be useful for labeling a specific job order or ticket. In this case, the subtask represents a specific bug ID, operating system, or a documentation type. Enter the number of hours you've worked for each task for the day. If you need to put comments or notes on your activity, double-click the cell to bring up a yellow input window. You can also specify the specific time range for your task here. Note that the hourly total has to be entered manually. Save and submit the timesheet when you're done, then go to the next week's timesheet. EfficientTime will send a notification email to your manager each time you submit a timesheet. If you made a mistake in the timesheet you've submitted, click on Reopen to edit it. Click on Request Approval to resend the notification email to a specific manager. If you have identical tasks every week, you can click the pin button on the left before submitting your timesheet to copy it to the succeeding week's timesheet. In this way, you won't have to enter the same tasks over and over again. Click on the Edit button to edit the task and subtask names. Click on the trash icon on the right to delete tasks and the Move button to arrange them. You can review the status of your timesheets by clicking on My Timesheets under the Timesheet menu.